all to the game. Yeah, this is a very beautiful game from Team Morocco. Of course, they are showing the reason as to why they are the best team of Africa. Very good performance in overall. And if you look at these statistics, actually ball possession was almost equal for both the teams. Canada, of course, were playing very well. 45% ball possession against 55% ball possession on Morocco. Of course, something tells you clearly that Morocco took their chances right. The few chances they got, they capitalized on them well, and that shows how brilliant they are in terms of finishing and also attacking. Looking at the total shots, Canada had 10, Morocco had only 5. Shots on target, Canada had 3, Morocco had 4, and you can imagine out of the 4 shots on target, they were able to score 3 goals. That's been too clinical. Of course, that shows a lot of quality in terms of Morocco, and the team spirit being on great and on high note. Of course, big chances created, Morocco 3 and Canada 1. And it might show you, of course, defensively Morocco was well organized and they tried to be compact and tried also to defend as a team. This meaning that Team Canada was unable to create many more big chances. On the corner kicks, Morocco had only 1 corner kick against 11 for Canada. That clearly shows you that Morocco is a team well balanced from defense to attack, and that is a clear indication. If you are playing against a team which is able to take 11 corners and you're able to defend well, that's a good performance. Yeah, teams, guys, let's like, share, and let me know your comments about the game in the comments.